Today we have the ERCP scope. So we will be doing the leakage test. So now we have attached the leakage tester. We will check the air, and after that we will be attaching to the scope. So after that we will dip the scope in the water. After that we will check the angulations. We will check whether there is any bubble in the angulation or not. After checking, we will be fully dipping the scope in water for checking any water bubble, air leakage in the scope. We will be performing angulations change. You can see the front tip of the scope. We are changing it. Here we are checking all the parts of the scope. So we are checking the rotary knob and all the parts of the scope, whether there is a leakage in the scope or not. So we'll be dipping it for a while and we'll be checking whether there is a leakage in the scope or not. So you can see we have dipped the whole scope in the water and we are carefully inspecting the scope. This takes a little bit of time, so we need to do it very carefully. After that, we need to eject the tester from the scope and then we can remove it from the scope. Then we can thoroughly dip the scope in water. Then we will be performing the manual cleaning. So as I said, there are two angles, 45 degree and 90 degree, for inserting the brush. So we have inserted the brush. This is inserted in 45 degree angle. After cleaning, we are pulling it out. Now we are putting in 90 degree. So we are inserting the brush for through cleaning. We are thoroughly cleaning the scope. We are pushing the brush. Now we will be taking it out. So the brush has been taken out. This should be done after every scope, every procedure. After that, we will be flushing. So we are attaching the kit, and there are tubes. In the green section, there are two pipe ends. Black we need to attach over here, like this, and you can see the whole setup. Then we need to flush it. So with the help of syringe, we will be sucking it and then flushing it, means sucking the water and then flushing it. So we will be performing this in the both tubes, and after that we will be flushing only air. You can see how we are doing it. Suction, then again flushing, like this with the help of syringe. Suction and flushing. Suction and flushing. Now only air flushing. After that, we need to take the attachment out. Now we are taking the scope.